But I'm a comedian. I'm a comedian. No, I'm a comedian.
No, I'm comedy.
No, listener, is a scale. Face, joke. You see my face too heavy, your joke can't save me. I'm a grandfather, that man.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle, this is Kayla, and this is Brittany, my niece and my sister. Today, if it's not already obvious, we will be doing Smash or Pass. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be notified when my videos are out. My brother-in-law behind the camera will be calling the names.
So, the first person on the list, Smash or Pass. Pass. Well, alright, the first person on the list, Smash or Pass, Morgan Freeman.
I'm a grandfather, that man.
No, you look like you're not sure.
No, come me keep my eye and still bury me can't see man good.
Alright, the second person, Smash or Pass, Denzel Washington. So you get no spirit. Denzel Washington a pass or I'm an actor. So you get
It's foul, there was a pass.
try to see you get no spirit.
Never laugh, we'll go.
I know about the
So, so everybody will smash? Alright.
Him get it. Yes.
Alright, next person. Smash or pass. Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
You know Dwayne Johnson, The Rock?
Oh, no. Hey, balik man.
It's bad, it's not fun.
Aning coming out.
Jumanji.
Jumanji, aning coming out.
Fast and Furious. I'm on Vin Diesel can't
Aning
agree.
coming on show with it. Aning coming on show with something
Vin
that was
Diesel
here.
coming on show.
I'm a Vin Diesel.
But that's not
I don't remember the show, but yeah.
Alright. Next person, Vin Diesel. Next person, Samuel L. Jackson.
Respect my dude in a shaft. Respect. But can't do that.
These are great actors, guys.
Awesome, but Smash.
I'm my next grandfather.
Alright, next one, Chris Tucker.
He would have laugh.
You would have a laugh, holy.
So that's not smash for the laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joke.
Yeah, when you never better hey! You better. Yeah, they did laugh.
Alright, next person, Jamie Foxx.
Jamie Foxx body fine from a long time.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah.
Alright, next one, let me see, Idris Elba.
Oh, baby.
Bossy. Bossy. Godfather, man a OG. Man a
Alright, next one, Mark Wahlberg.
Draw me closer to you. Mark Wahlberg. Now watch Two Guns.
Oh.
One, we fight off a woman. A joke.
Because the man says step one side.
It's smashing.
Alright, next person, Steven Seagal.
I don't even know who is that.
Why look so now? You look older than my two granddaddy. They were walk one.
Alright, next person. Maris Chestnut.
What's your
Hey, you.
for?
Hey, me I tell you.
That man the body fine too.
Me I tell you, girl, me watch out.
The next
So
person,
cute.
Chris Hemsworth.
I'm cute to see.
So everybody gone quiet.
You smash him? Yeah, I must smash the white guy.
Oh, you must. I didn't say a black man me have.
I must smash the white guy. Man.
Me see me now moving.
I'm cute.
On Netflix
You know,
the other day.
I Miley did there with
No, Liam.
Liam
Hemsworth.
Hemsworth.
Liam
Yeah,
Hemsworth.
talk, but me want mix up, you know.
Why you not run a TV channel then? No, sir.
Alright, next person. What name? Grand Shah.
Wait, your green grand show.
Grand Shah.
Yes.
Yeah, I see
Dynasty
one.
edition. When I click on when I picture them.
Alright, me I see you.
Dynasty.
Ugly.
I'm me for the style.
When I love me alone. Grant, you look good to me. I try not see money.
Our spectacles one wife.
Next person. Marlon Wayans.
Marlon,
Marlon Wayans.
Yeah.
Oh, so interesting.
We love comedian.
Me I go to one comedian and say if I go smash or pass him.
I want them.
I need to look at the record. And then
Alright.
wicked, you know.
Smash or pass. Cat Williams.
Yeah, you want comedy.
No, listener, is a scale. Face, joke. You see me face too heavy, you joke can't save it.
I want to come in on Friday and say, Pimp! Pimp down.
In
Next.
front of the true but
Next person, Ice Cube.
when I smash ice.
Yeah, I'm up.
Smash him till him turn
Smash
water.
it. I'm smash it. Ice Cube.
You know who would have
Right there.
who some of them would have smashed too, some of them would have smashed ice cool J fish or something.
I get to all excited and you know what I'm saying.
Yes,
Smash
get
or,
my juice flowing.
smash or pass, Will Smith.
Ooh, yeah.
So not dance.
I'm high, nice.
It's nice from a longer time.
Yeah.
Mama?
From a
From a
longer time.
long
At time.
From a
In a
longer
Fresh
time.
Prince, in there, have need to look for me. You see
No,
when
him
him
never
just
have the
start. Yeah, you see when him just
But
start.
him always funny and him always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When him to start the franchise, now what name? Bad Boys. Bad Boys.
Smash or pass, Orlando Brown.
I know that.
Did you come in at that story?
Yeah, that's so right,
Enough
man.
Not my
No, me across him.
No.
But you mash up now.
Yeah.
Him look back down. You be him? Not him do this.
I remember one time seeing him in a somebody for bad news, like, and him
And when they
like
beat
him
him up,
insane,
when
like
they
him,
knock him out.
Last
Every
one.
time I mix juice, I dash for the jets. I don't want the jets.
You know, if this will get on those flowings, but would you guys smash or pass John Cena?
John Cena, baby.
Alright, next one. So, guys, would you smash or pass Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Like him from Terminator days, man.
Oh, that.
You don't know Arnold? I am the Terminator.
So, I'm going to go see some foreigner.
I
I'm
missed
going
it.
to big buff up something, you know, see.
Dylan, pull up the picture of them.
Guys, would you smash or pass Eddie Murphy?
Hey.
Why?
You look like Mr. Potato.
I don't
That
know.
kind of
Him not
story.
all that attractive to me. Don't know.
Would I be best friend with him though? Would I laugh every day with him? But
Alright, so would you guys smash or pass Tyler Perry?
Would I smash you?
Maybe.
Tyler Perry body nice.
Yeah, for true, you know.
And him tall and trapped in
And
and
he's a great actor.
Yeah.
like
See,
that.
I like them
Lift you up, him like hug you up, him
Yeah. Like them tickle.
Me like them bone.
Louder.
See, I come down, but she like them thick and
Mama, can you hear the red leg?
Me like them
so me
bone.
like them bone.
I like
Them
them
cut.
cut. Me like mine chunky.
Would you smash or pass Michael B. Jordan from they call it Black Panther?
Wakanda.
you?
Yeah, Wakanda, Black Panther.
And where boxing shoe? Man know that boxing shoe. Like, yeah, you
Kinda like
found
him,
yourself.
And cute.
Nice,
nice.
sexy.
Yeah.
Wait, I want you to laugh at him. There was something disgusting if I go make us see, you know. Jesus. Funny two of them I laugh. You look there, all the line I come up in and fire, they know what's sitting by them. Oh, you know.
Would you guys smash or pass? How this pronounced? Macaulay Culkin from Home Alone.
Me not him ugly, I know.
Silence one.
No.
Him surely ugly, I know.
Silence
More
one.
look like he have stroke on
Big pass, my brother. Hey, I love you all alone, but
Him ugly.
him get when him did fat, him never look so bad. But when he get maga, I don't know if him get back fat, but me I tell you say, maga no fit that the man there.
You look like Coke. Look like Pepe, but white version of Pepe. No.
Besides, look good, maga one. Mom so maga.
No.
Why look like a grandfather?
No.
Grandfather number 4.
It's square.
How
Put
much?
up now, put up now.
Mom, go me mouth.
Yeah, ask me
Alright.
about go me mouth.
Time to wrap it up. Alright.
Alright.
So guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of our Smash or Pass Actors Edition. Yes, it's somehow we getting our spirits. Somehow we
Disgusting.
skin fly off our body. Somehow we just up in our feelings. Yeah, a long time I didn't want to do that one here, guys. A long time. And at the end of every video that they're in, their links will be in the description and their channel names will be on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe.